Hi mates, welcome back. Today I'm gonna talk about how we can make $5 to thousands of dollars per week. But how? So I'll tell you, but before watching the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give thumb up to my videos. Your concerns are very much important to me. If you need to know anything about cryptocurrencies and online earning, then don't hesitate to comment below, mate. All the websites links are in the description below. So I think that's great. You can earn $100 to thousands of dollars. That's so true, but you have to work hard and work on your free time, and yeah, that's why you call it passive income. Now how can you do it? The important and most important thing is, this is what you are showing is an app. It's an fiber based app. You know, if you don't have any PC or laptop, you can just use it on your phone and you can earn money from your phone. So why need laptop or PC? So guys, that's for you. And after installing or downloading the app, just go to the home button, and then you can see the join fiber, and you can also see sign in button. If you have any account, then you can sign in from this app, and if you don't have any account, you can just click on this button, join fiber. After clicking on this button, you will find these three options: connect with Google, connect with Facebook, sign up with email. So either you can connect with Google or Facebook, or no, you can sign up with also email. Okay, now this website has huge kind of work opportunities. Let's see the opportunities here. Graphics and designs. Now we can see logo design, business cards and stationery, illustration, portraits and caricatures, cartoons, comics, flyers and brochures. We can see so many options. If you click on this thing, you can also see other options, other work things. You can also hire people from this app. Online marketing, social media marketing, SEO, content marketing, video marketing, email marketing, search and display marketing, marketing strategy, SaaS-based web analytics, influencer marketing, local listening, domain research, e-commerce marketing, mobile advertising, music promotion, web traffic and other things. So there are huge kind of works, as you can see. So I think if you are lacking a computer or any laptop, that you can work from this app and from your phone, and I think that's great. You can earn hundreds to thousands of dollars daily by this website, and you don't have to worry about the payment system, because this website is the world's most famous, trustable and trustworthy website. And I think this, as it is the website based app, you don't have to worry about anything. But if you doubt anything, or if you get any doubt about this app, you just go to the alexa.com and then find your desired rating, and you can see that Fiverr has lots of ratings. Okay, I just showed you how you can make money. It's up to you whether you work or not, but this is how you can make hundreds to thousands of dollars per week. So I think understood what I said, and thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe my channel.